Good morning, everyone. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving with family and some downtime and time to relax. We had a great 4 days with family in town and then had my 25th high school reunion this past Saturday. So it was good to see some folks up there. And I'm just crazy to think that I graduated high school 25 years ago. But anyway, checking in this Monday. It's already November 27th, and the week ahead after Thanksgiving with an interest rate update and a program alert for the week as to what we're seeing common in the market right now. So starting off with conforming 30-year, or I should say conforming rates with 1 point. 30-year fixed is 6.875, 20-year is 6.625, 15-year 6.375. Moving over to jumbo. This is based on $1 million purchase with 20% down and a point. 30-year fixed is at 7%, 15-year at 6.75, 10-year arm 6.75, 7-year arm 6.5, and a 5-year arm at 6.375. So all these rates for the most part in the sixes, and hopefully as we look forward, we'll see a little bit further rate improvement. I think it'll be slow, but I think it will happen as we enter into 2024. Our program alert for the week is government loans. We're going to talk a little bit about VA and FHA loans. VA, Veteran Affairs, these are loans for veterans, reservists. They can finance up to 100% of the purchase price. They can generally go to a higher debt-to-income ratio, and there's no PMI. There's very low interest rates. FHA is a government loan for borrowers that want to put as little as 3.5% down on a 1 to 4 unit property. Interest rates are generally a bit lower. Mortgage insurance rates on FHA loans recently went down. So they've become a very cost-effective option for folks that want to borrow at a higher debt-to-income ratio, a lower down payment, get a low interest rate, and pay less mortgage insurance than they would have about a year ago. So I think there's a big misconception in the marketplace regarding these loan products as well, where I think a lot of realtors and borrowers think that it's much more difficult to close on a home with a VA loan or an FHA loan. And I really want to emphasize that a lot of those myths are truly untrue or vastly exaggerated. So, if you have a client that wants to do a VA or an FHA loan and you want to talk a little bit more about this, we're always happy to and talk about specific properties because we close these loans day in, day out, every single month, VA, FHA, and we do not endure major issues. We don't have closings get derailed. We close these loans quite regularly. Without much of an issue or really much of anything different than, say, a conventional loan program. So don't be afraid of these programs. They're not bad. But anyway, we look forward to working with you. We want to keep busy. I know the holidays generally drive a slightly lower level of business, less sellers and buyers in the market, but perhaps opportunity for those that are. So please don't hesitate to reach out to my team and I anytime. It's themarqueeteam.com. And wishing you all a great week ahead. As we get back in the saddle here for this stretch between Thanksgiving and Christmas. So happy holidays, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.